Thiruvonam, the 10th day. The golden reign of Mahabali with unparalleled joy, peace, and abundance is very familiar to all of us. Through this festival, we are reminded us of the significance of an egalitarian, beautiful, and harmonious society. Celebrating Onam is Malayali's birthright. The touch of simplicity, purity, and love makes the celebration more truthful. The nature during this month of Chingam brings delightful charm all over Kerala with soft sunlight, gentle breeze, and moonlit nights that evokes the past. Let this Onam inspire us to build a future where unity, abundance, and kindness prevail. We, the family of Guardians, extend our warmth, support, and love to all the people all over the world on this special occasion. Happy Onam and thank you.